The South African Constitution and South African laws are very relaxed. So relaxed, we have so many rights, we can actually protest. We not only have the right to protest, but even illegal immigrants can protest in South Africa. Illegal Congolese foreigners marched in Cape Town to hand over a memorandum of demand in the parliament, accompanied by the South African Police Service. Basically, the memorandum says that the Congolese are being arrested and they want more rights and more freedom. They're saying people are being xenophobic against them.
The fasts made and to celebrate the enduring spirit that brought us to this point. But as a community, we cannot celebrate joyfully because of the unjust war imposed to us by our neighbor, which is Rwanda. That is why we are here to propose our memorandum.
Yeah, I get that South Africans have rights, and their rights go as far as to protect even illegal immigrants. Even a criminal, when they get arrested, they have rights. But I think this is ridiculous. You cannot, this is like Europeans, let's take maybe just like 10 Europeans, come illegally to South Africa, like today, and then we catch them, and they will say we are xenophobic, and then they will strike. That's too much. That's too much. Somebody might be asking, surely not everyone is allowed to protest in South Africa. Well, you'd be wrong. I simply Googled who has the right to protest in South Africa. And here's the result. They're saying in South Africa, everyone. No matter, everyone can protest. Everyone has the right to assemble, demonstrate, picket, and present petitions as enshrined in the Constitution's Bill of Rights. This right is not absolute and must be exercised peacefully and unarmed. While the right to protest is protected, it also comes with responsibilities to avoid infringing on rights of others. Illegal, not illegal, criminal, not a criminal, everyone is allowed to protest. Imagine that.